Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, tap on the clocks option and here tap on alarms. Now tap on the add alarm and here we can customize our alarm clock. First we can tap on time and we can set the time on which the alarm will ring. So I'm gonna set it to something like maybe 6:30. Then tap the check mark to confirm. Next we have option called repeat and here we can select how often it will repeat or on which days. We have like options like once, so basically it's gonna only ring one day and then it will stop. Then we have daily, it's gonna ring every day. And we have weekend, or rather weekdays, my bad, then weekend. And also we have a custom option. If you select custom, here you can basically select different days by tapping on the boxes next to them. So we can make this, for example, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And then tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it's gonna repeat on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. And next we have label, and here basically we can select the label for it. We have wake up, workout, reminder, an appointment, training, class, immediate, bedtime. Select the one you like. And once you're done, scroll up and tap on done. And here we have our alarm clock. We can enable it or disable it. We can also tap on it to edit it. And if you want to remove the alarm clock, tap on the alarm clock, scroll down, tap delete, and it's gonna disappear from the list. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.